Hey yo, what is up guys? This is Lil Y aka Yogi, and I'm here to unbox a brand new Eureka Forbes Trendy Steel vacuum cleaner. This is silver in color. I bought this from infobeam.com, which is one of the e-commerce website in India. I tried to research about this product on Flipkart, Amazon.com, eBay, and Snapdeal. So all of the websites reflected the value of this uh, product at around 7,800 to 8,000 bucks. Apart from Infobeam, um, Infobeam showed somewhere around 7,300 bucks. But using the coupon code that I had, I got this product for around 6,333. So I ordered this product almost 20 days back. The delivery took a long time. Maybe I should give a B or a B minus for the delivery, but if you look at the packaging, they have done a very great job. So this is an amazing job that they have done in terms of packaging. So everything is made sure that it is being taken care of, and the best part of this particular product is you get 31 additional accessories is what I see here. So they say, sorry, not 31, it's 13. It says India's only vacuum cleaner with 13 accessories. So you have a lot of I don't know whether I'll be able to use all of them, but some of them are very much useful for me. That is why I thought we'll buy this. Most of the vacuum cleaners that you buy will come without accessories. So I suggest people to research more about a particular product when they're planning to buy, and then go ahead to buy. This part was shipped from Gati Services, so Gati insured. So it is an amazing product altogether, I can say. So this product has a lot of features, if you can see here. So this shows you have a powerful suction where you can use this for sofa corners, and there is an auto cord winder, and then you have a powerful blower, and also you have variable power controls, which where you can control the suction power. And then we have a carpet cleaner. It says floor and carpet brush. I'm sorry, this is a brush, and it says 13 accessories included in this particular box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Maybe a few people who are planning to buy this will definitely be able to understand what are the things that's inside the box. So let me go ahead and unbox it. So also guys, please go ahead and subscribe for my videos if you really like them, because I do this. I'm not like everybody where people plan to buy just for unboxing purpose. I do a lot of research before I buy a product because it is a one-time investment. So let me go ahead and unbox it without making you all wait. This is all sealed. Yeah, this is all sealed. Let me go ahead and try to rip the cover off as much as possible. So Infobeam.com is the website which is, I don't know how long they have been. The headquarters of Infobeam is at Ahmedabad, and like I said, their delivery was very late. So, and also in terms of reply, so their website does not update regularly, I guess. So even now, if I look at the website onto where's my product, it still says that it's been stuck up somewhere else. So maybe they'll have to work on that part. Okay, so this is the product, and I have bill over here. Okay, you can see this, the promotion and things. I got this product for $6,333. So it is a good deal. So we can see. You can see that 6,333. So a good deal. And then what else we have? We have some warranty books, a manual, and things. Okay, so we have something in this. Let me see. Okay, these are the accessories. So if you can see, or if you can take a closer look, these are the items we have. So we have combination nozzle, all-purpose nozzle, crevice nozzle, top cleaning adapter, jet air attachment, radiator brush, coat brush, demo thing, vaporizer, spray jar, car wash adapter, extension tubes, and flexible hose pipe. So they have ticked everything. Maybe this is like an external thing where you will have to pack everything in one big box and send it. So let me see whether we have everything inside the box. This box is all wet, I see. I don't know why. So it's wet. If you can see the box, I can smell that. You have that, you know, the humid smell that you get with these papers when they're wet. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so here we go. So this is one. We have two accessories, two, and then we have, okay, the jar, three, and four, okay, then we have a lengthy one, the five, and the brush thing, the six, and this one is on nozzle, I guess 7. This one over here is the 8 one. I don't know why they have used for. And this one is a 9. And then 10, 10, 11. This is for car wash, I guess. And this is the 12th one. And this is the 13th one. And the hose pipe. Okay, so whatever they have checked at the back of this box, we have all the items, I believe. So let me put this box aside. Let's look at the actual item. So we have the actual item inside this. So let me try to put this. Maybe I will have to tilt it down. So let me try doing that. let's look at these things later. So we have some work manual. Okay, let me show that up to you guys before I open up anything else. So this is the work manual, I guess. Okay, this is a CD, a demo CD that they have given so that we can watch the demo CD and then work on the device, the product. This is a demo CD, right? And then we have a warranty card. So, sorry, this is a user manual, it says. This is a user manual. So we have two colors. This is a silver one that I've got. So I will go through all of these things sometimes later. So, and then after the usage, I may have to leave a feedback as well to the product. And then let's see what we have here. All right, I'll put this aside. This one over here is the product, actual product. Okay, the product is brand new, no doubt about this. It's a brand new product. We have a brand new product over here. Here's a wheel. Here's a wheel. So I guess you all can see this. This is a wheel which can turn, twist any which ways. This one over here is to open the duct, I guess. I'll have to look into the manual and then work on this. So you have a lot of functionalities and things. Okay. Okay. So you have the power increase or decrease. Then you have winding the cord thing. Then on or off button. And this is the dust bag indicator. So once the dust bag is full, this indicates whether we have to open it up and check the information. Okay, so I'll try to do that sometimes later. You have a power cord over here. You see this? Okay. This is a brand new. Okay, I forgot to tell you this. There is this nozzle over here. It's a blower. This does not only it does not only have a sucking part. It also has a blower part. So this one is also one of the main things that I opted this device for. So small and trendy. With this video, I would like to sign out because without looking into user manual and things, I'm not supposed to work on this, which will lose its warranty period thing. So it's a Eureka Forbes Trendy Steel. I love this product, y'all. For $6,333, all of these things is worth buying it. Alright, so that was great. Opening up a product and showing it all to you guys. I really love the product. I definitely want to work on this. I'll do a little bit work around and then hit back to you guys with the update on how this really is working. Until then, I should thank all of you for taking time of yours and patiently watching this video. With this small video, once again, I'm signing up. Once again, this is Lil Y, aka Yogi, signing out from CLO, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Thank you guys.